Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view and download Steam Cloud Saves. This will be a step-by-step guide, so follow along. Just before we begin, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions during the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on so you don't miss out. So the first method is basically you can't really do this on the Steam client app. Go ahead and exit out if you're currently in it. Open up any web browser of your choice. And what I'd recommend is basically go to Steam first on the web browser and log in with your account. As you can see, I'm currently logged in. Once you are logged in, open up a new tab right over here and type in this one. So star.steampower.com/account/remote storage. What it's gonna do, it's basically gonna forward you to the basically it's straightforward. It'll be on the cloud saves. Just go ahead and press enter once you type that in. And as you can see, view games files saved to your Steam clouds. There's currently a lot of games here. So basically that is all for this video. You can't really do this on the Steam game client as far as right now. But anyways guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.